कक्षा में आप सबको फिर से स्वागत। In a previous video we learned about Varna Vichhed. That is the basic topic, and that is what are swar, what are vyanjan, what are samyuktakshar, how they were made. That is what we discussed. Let us know some more about it. Now, just this word is given for you in exam to do Varna Vichhed. How to separate. Now, as we discussed in the previous video, swar are Swatantraakshar. What are swar? A se lekar Au tak. Am and Aha are called Ayogva. Right? Now, A to Au letters we should not break because they are already self-made. ठीक है? तो whatever vyanjan are there that we discussed, right? Vyanjan taking the help of swar. व्यंजन स्वर की सहायता से पूरे अक्षर बनते हैं. तो हमको क्या करना है? जो सहायता ले रहे हैं उनको सेपरेट करना है. ठीक है? अभी देखो, चा. चा इज स्वर और व्यंजन? स्वर और व्यंजन. व्यंजन. ठीक है? तो वो किसकी सहायता ले रही है? स्वर की. ये जो व्यंजन अक्षर है स्वर की सहायता लेती है. अभी देखो, चा तो ये आधा अक्षर है प्लस और किसकी सहायता ली है? औ की मात्रा. What is this मात्रा? औ की मात्रा. Then औ की मात्रा means which letter help it is taken? औ. Whatever मात्रा comes, it means that letter help it has taken. Next, k. And which matra is there? O ki matra. It means it has taken the help of O. Now here Ra. Ra doesn't have any matra. But Ra is a Vyanjan. If there is no matra, what is Bina matra ka action in Varnamala? A. R plus A. Ra. Chau, Ko, R. Understood, children? Now see Muni. Now Ma is a Vyanjan. Plus which matra is given? U ki matra. Then U. Next. Na ko E ki matra is given. N plus E. Mu, Ni. Coming to Shrujan. For Sa, which matra is given here? Sometimes children will get confused with it. This is Ri ki matra. Rate will come on the top of the letter. Ri ki matra will come down of the letter. Right? Shrujan. Then S plus Ri. Shri. Now Ja and Na no matras. Bina matra ke akshar. It means the Bina matra help it has taken. It means A. Ja plus plus A. Na. Shrujan. Likewise, if swar ki matra comes, it is easy to separate, split the letters and write Varna Vichhed. Now coming to Anuswar and Anunasik. What are Anuswar and Anunasik? How to use Anuswar and Anunasik? This is Anuswar. This is Anunasik. इसको बिंदु कहते हैं, चंद्र बिंदु. बिंदु, चंद्र बिंदु. इसको क्या कहते हैं? अनुस्वार. इसको अनुनासिक. ठीक है? जब शब्द के ऊपर अनुस्वार या अनुनासिक बिंदु आने से हम वर्ण विच्छेद कैसे करें? इधर देखो, चंदा. अभी चा के ऊपर क्या आया है? अनुस्वर आया है. इधर one more word I am writing. चांद. यहाँ अनुनासिक का प्रयोग किया गया है. एक अनुस्वर, एक अनुनासिक. If these words are given, like for example, anunasik and anuswar words are given. These words are given, then how you will split? How you will do Varna Vichhed? Let us know. Before knowing this, we should know in Varnamala how many varga are there. We know how many kinds of letters are there. Swar, Vyanjan or Samyuktakshar. Now in that Vyanjan, how many varga are there? There are 5 varga. 5 varga है. वो क्या है? का वर्ग, चा वर्ग, टा वर्ग, ता वर्ग और पा वर्ग. इन 5 वर्गों में कितने अक्षर होते हैं? 5 अक्षर होते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 है ना. हर एक वर्ग में कितने कितने अक्षर है? 5 अक्षर है. तो हर एक वर्ग में जो अंतिम अक्षर है, लास्ट लेटर, You can understand, see, in the pa varg, ma is the last letter. In ta varg, na is the last letter. Ta varg, no. Cha varg, ni. Ka varg, nya. These are the last fifth letters. These are called Panchamakshar. What these fifth letters are called in Hindi? Panchamakshar. तो हमको वर्ण विच्छेद में पंचमाक्षर का उपयोग करना चाहिए. जब भी ये अनुस्वार का प्रयोग होता है उस जगह हमको क्या करना है? पंचमाक्षर का प्रयोग करना है. ठीक है, कैसे करना है देखो. अभी जब भी एक शब्द के ऊपर अनुस्वार आएगा, if any word if you take just which is used anuswar, then what we have to do? This anuswar will be checked with the next letter. Okay, this anuswar will be checked with the next letter. What is this next letter? Da. Now what is the first letter? Now there is no relation with this. Now cha is individual letter. Ch plus a. Cha completed. Now when you are checking with the next letter, you need to check that this letter is belong to from any varga. This da is belong to which varga? Check. Ta varga. Ta ta da da na. Da. Yes. Now this is belong to ta varga. So ta varga में what is the पंचमाक्षर? ना. ta varga में पंचमाक्षर क्या है? ना. Then we should use here na. Half letter. This is symbol. Means matra. Half letter only we have to use. Plus. Then we used anuswar. Whenever we use check with the next letter, this should come between. Plus the plus a. Chanda. Understood how to check with the next letter? Now, Chand. This anuswar will not be checked with the next letter. ठीक है, the same letter we need to check. Ch plus which matra is given? A की मात्रा. Then we will use a ऊपर अनुनासिक. Cha, Chand, the plus a. Chand. If Panchamakshar is there, here Panchamakshar is there, we checked. If Panchamakshar is not given, like see. Now, I'll give you an example. Sansar. If anuswar is given, what we have to do? We need to check with the next letter. Okay, but we will check with the next letter. What is the next letter? Sa. Is sa is there in any word? No. Right? Then we will use the same letter only. Then in the sa, to become sa, what is to become this sa as a complete letter, what we are using? Vina matra ke akshar, right? Sa plus a. Then on this only we will use anuswar. San. Sa plus a plus r plus a. Sansar. ठीक है. Likewise, when anuswar is not there, we will use the same letter. Then when Panchamakshar is there only, we will use it. If there is no letter from this word, we cannot use. For the same letter only, we will use this. Understood, children? Now, how to use Panchamakshar? We learned, right? Now one more example I'll give you. Kangan. Okay, Kangan. On the ka, anuswar is there. What we have to do? We should check with the next letter. Now, ka is not having anything because this matra went to here. K plus a. Ka. Now, ga is belong to which family? Ka, kha, ga, ga, inya. Ka varga. Right? What is the Panchamakshar in ka varga? Inya. That letter we have to use. Now, see. Where we have to use in between these two? Because this symbol we are using in between these two. Every time you will do the same. Whenever you check with the next letter, first you will write matra, then next letter. How it will become half letter? By giving halant. Now kang, ga plus a, ga, n plus a, na, kangan. One more example I tell you. Now, if we use like Just ka, da, kadaum. When anuswar comes at the end of the letter, what we will do? On this, because it came on swar only. Then as it is we will write. Like ka plus a. Now here, g plus a. No need to take any other letter because swar are swatantra akshar. On the same letter it will come. Kadau. You need to remember how to use this panch varg. Okay? How to use this panchamakshar. And when sanuswar comes, how to break. If anunasik comes, how to use. All these if you can remember, varna vichhed any word if they give, easily you can break. And not only that, and some more words we will learn in the next video. Dhanyavad.